Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Gimkit account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.gimkit.com. Then you'll come across this official page. If you do not have an account, then you can click on sign up for free option, and then follow through the prompts till the end and then fill in the information that is needed. And if you do have an account, then click on login option. If you had used your Google account while creating an account, then you'll have to click on continue with Google option, and if you had used your email address, then enter your email address. Now click on the continue button. Here you'll have to enter your password and click on the login button. And that is how you can log into Gimkit account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.